1, 0, 1 of 4. It's your last shot.
Oh.
Shoot, Ryder.
You're shooting against John Wayne. John Wayne with the stagecoach. Let's go. Oh, that motherfucker.
I'm not even holding it right, first of all.
Huh?
Calm down. Ryder. That's why. You're getting trouble. Safety off.
I'm scared. I shot it like 3 times.
Yeah, I'm recording this. Safety
Me
off.
too.
You gotta hold it tight to your shoulder. If you don't do it, I'll do it.
Oh, yeah,
No.
Smokey, you did. Let's see right here.
Back trigger? Yep. Did I hit it? Yeah.
Front or back first?
It don't matter. Safety forward. No, back one.